Up to take part of our...
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes. Hey, it's a free show.
You're looking at me. Yeah, all of you, come on.
Yeah, one. Can we have one, please? Yeah, Jesse, come.
I've got a very special prize for you.
Samantha at the back, come. Okay, not your name. Okay. Nicole. No. Okay. Jasmine. Okay. Yeah. Can we have my sister over there? Come. Oh,
leave your bags there. No one's gonna steal your bag. Leave your bag there.
You know, Samoan people are very safe. Very safe people.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
Come up here.
Attack the bag. Come.
Now,
Yes.
see what we're gonna do.
Oh.
Now, if you guys can line up.
High five.
Where are you guys from, by the way?
Man, thank you. You guys are married to Samoan.
Ireland? You mean Ireland in the UK?
No, Ireland.
Ireland, thank you for coming today, for being here. Are you guys enjoying the show? Oh, thank you very much for paying no money to enter the show.
Thank you.
So what we're gonna do, my friends from Ireland, you're gonna face the audience, okay? And Josie's gonna come down and lead what we call faasiva Samoa, okay? Now, since this is a festival and my mic, people can hear me, please. Now, it is a festival. So my friend here, Toshi, is coming down. He is single, and he's gonna be standing in the middle, two to the left and two to the right, okay? You just have to follow.
Am I taking my shirt off or?
Okay, hey, watch out, the wife is watching the live, eh? Now, Toshi's gonna perform faasiva Samoa, okay? Faasiva Samoa, it is a traditional dance, okay? For
Samoa, for the ladies dance, your hands gotta be very soft. Can I see your hands? Have you guys ever touched like the bow?
Feel the air, connect with the air.
Yeah. So you go like this, like, hi darling, like this. Yeah. So the left hand, can we try the left hand? Oh man, you guys' hands are very soft, eh? The Samoan girl's hands is a different story. Nah, like it's beautiful. What are you doing? Why are you laughing? I'm saying, so you start with that side. So 1, 2, like both hands. Like.
Yeah.
And you also have to like you know I'm bending my back for a reason, so you follow me, eh? So like this.
Yeah. Nice, Toshi. You know, just before you do your business, that's how you sit. You know, you're like just before you sit on like you know, we got a pose. You take a pose and then you're like, hey, okay, like and that. You start waving, eh?
So that is a very basic move we do. Okay, that means go away.
Yeah.
Go away. Okay? Okay, and then in the forward, in the front, come to me. Yeah. Okay, so
Toshi, can you step forward? Because our girls, you know, can watch you.
Okay.
By the way, Toshi is a former Mr. Samoa. Now, are you guys ready? Eyes on Toshi, okay? All eyes on Toshi. Whatever Toshi does, if he goes down and lie down and put the leg up, you know, you guys follow, okay? I'm serious.
Yeah, you guys came with appropriate clothing for today, which is good. It makes things easy.
Papers in New Zealand, so looking for someone to do the papers.
I told you, Samoan people are very safe people. Yeah, can we have the song?
Okay, the song is, I was gonna play the song, but might as well do this as